Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you unable to send message blocking is active error on iPhone. Solution number 1, disable and enable iMessage. First go to settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on messages. Disable iMessage option, then wait for a while and then enable it. Solution number 2, enable send as SMS in your iOS device. Go to settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on messages. Swipe down and make sure send as SMS is enabled. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.